Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to this demo video of Tweetx. Now, before we begin, I just want to give you a brief overview of what Tweetx is. Basically, it's broken down into two parts. Number one, which is traffic, and number two, which is monetization. Now, the traffic side of things is a Google Chrome extension that you'll just install in your Google Chrome. Full training on that is available inside of the members area. But once that's installed, you're able to get traffic automatically from Twitter, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a little second. But also we've got the monetization side of things. So this is where on the front end, we will be giving you 5 done for you offers that have been completely done for you and 1 high ticket offer. You basically link that up into your Google Chrome extension on Twitter, and you've got traffic and monetization working together. Now, let's show you exactly how that works. So the first part that I'm going to show you is the traffic side of things on Twitter. Okay. So up here, on the right hand side, I've already installed my Tweetx extension. Okay. Super simple to do. But once it's there, you can access it up here in the top right hand corner. And you've got 3 things that the extension will allow you to do. It will allow you to follow, tweet, and direct message. Okay. Now the follow is pretty self-explanatory. You just put in a keyword that you want to follow people based on. So, you know, you're an affiliate, you're trying to make money online. So you want to be targeting people in your niche. My niche is make money online, online marketing, internet marketing. But if you're in dog walking or dog training, obviously you'd put a keyword that's relevant to your niche. I'm going to put online marketing, and with the follow side of things, I can choose how many people I want to follow. 25, 50, or 100 people. For this, I'm just going to choose 25, and I'm going to click on start. Okay, it's going to open up a new tab, and as you can see, it's automatically following people for me. See, look, it just said following. It's going to try following Kaya now. Ready? Following, there we go, okay? And that's how it works, and it will do that up to 25 people, okay? That's the follow side of things. Now, we go back to here. I'm just going to shut that down for the moment. Then we've got the tweet. Now, we do the same thing with the keywords. We put in online marketing again, or you can do whatever you want. Choose how many people you want to tweet, and then you put in some sort of comment into this section. So basically what this will do is that people that have already tweeted something, the extension will reply to those people with another tweet. Okay, so you get 2 added benefits with that. Not only the person that originally tweeted will see your tweet, but also people that are already following that original tweet will see your tweet. Okay, so you're getting a lot of traffic here just from one feature of the extension. Okay, and in this comment, you're going to put something along the lines of, hey, look, I've just found out about this great product. It's enabling me to make money online. You know, go and check it out here. And you will give your bonus page link in that section. Now, don't worry, because we're giving you those done for you campaigns, I'm going to show you how to create your bonus page. It's literally done in 2 seconds. Okay. But you'd put that in here. So, hey, this is a great product. Check it out at this link, for example. Okay. And then you click on tweet, and it would do very similar to what it just did on the follow side of things that I just showed you. Now, the final feature of Tweetx extension is the ability to DM or direct message people. Okay, so it goes straight into their inbox, their Twitter inbox, and you choose the people that you want to message. So you probably, a good idea would be to use the direct messaging after you use the follow and tweeting features for a little bit, because you can see it automatically populates people that it thinks that you should message in this section. But in this area here, you're just going to do a very similar piece of text to what you did for the tweet. So, hey, this is a great product. I'm making money online from it. I think you should check this out at this link. And then you'd go ahead and click on send message, and it will do the same thing. So you can see with the follow, tweet, and direct messaging features, all of those come together to get you free and easy traffic completely automated for you. But we felt that wasn't enough. We also wanted to give you the ability to monetize that traffic immediately without you doing any work, and us have done it all for you. Okay, so let's now jump into that. So when you're in the front end members area, just go into the Tweetx training, go to low ticket done for you campaigns. It's going to be the same for the high ticket campaign as well, but I'm going to show you the low ticket in this demo video. And you just click on access the page creator here. It will open up the page creator. You can see my bonus page generator, and you've got 3 different fields here: name of the page, enter affiliate link, and your template. So these are the 5 low ticket done for you campaigns: face off, crypto profits, optimize, done for you suite 3.0, and rapid commission sites. Okay. So first thing you want to do is give it a name. So I'm just probably going to call it face off, for example. Then you'll need to go and get your affiliate link. Now, one thing to note with this is Most of these are on the Warrior Plus network. I know that Done For You Suite 3.0 is on the JV Zoo network. So you're going to need accounts on both of those networks. Just heads up, okay? But because I'm using Face-Off for this example, what I'll go and do is I'll jump over to Warrior Plus, and then I'd go to affiliate. You can see at the top here, go down to offers, and then in offer title / keyword, I'm going to put in Face-Off and press enter, okay? Go down, and then we've got Face-Off right here. Click on it, it'll open up a new page. Now, I've already got my affiliate link, as you can see here. For you, if you don't already have it, this section won't be green, it will actually be blue, okay? And where it says link settings for me, it will say request link for you, okay? So obviously go and click on that request link. It will come up with a text box. And in that text box, say something along the lines of like, hey, Trevor, because you can see, look, it's Trevor that's launched Face-Off. I would like to promote your product. Could you please approve my affiliate link? And then when he approves it, you can come back to this page, and then your page will be green, and you can copy your affiliate link right here, okay? So we go ahead and copy that. Then we go back to our bonus page generator, this yellow page, and we go and paste our affiliate link into this section. Make sure that we've chosen Face-Off as our campaign. Now, one thing to note before we click on submit, the Face-Off or the name of our bonus page is unique to every person that uses this bonus page generator. Now, because there'll be a lot of people using Tweetx, you've got to think of a unique name. So like likely Face-Off has already been used. Face-Off 1 has probably been used, Face-Off 2, etc. Okay. So maybe something like Face-Off 2026. I don't know. That's highly unlikely that someone's used that already, okay? If someone has already used it, it's going to tell you and you're going to need to try again, but I'm giving you a heads up on this video, okay? But I'm going to use 2026. I'm going to click on submit, and there you go. It's fine, and we've got our link generated for us almost instantaneously, okay? So with this link, I'm going to open this up in a new tab, and it opens up here. And as you can see, it's created a fully fledged bonus page ready to rumble for us. Obviously, the videos here will work for you guys, but you can see it's already been designed. It's got all the pricing on here. All of these buy buttons will have your affiliate link behind them. So when people click here and they purchase Face-Off, you will make your commissions, okay? Bonuses are already provided for you as well. So incentivize that purchase from the people that you do direct to this page. But you can see that was done in a couple of seconds. So we're ready to rumble with that. So basically what we do is we take this link that the bonus page generator has created for us, copy that like so, go back to our Twitter account, open up our extension, and with the tweet and direct messaging features in here, hey, hey, this is a great product, check it out at this link, okay? And then we would copy, as you can see, or paste our bonus page link that we've got there into this section, okay? And then click on tweet or indeed direct messaging, okay? And we've got our traffic, okay? So we've monetized our traffic. We've got traffic in the first place, literally done on autopilot for us, linked together to make you commissions online and money from Tweetx. So thank you guys for watching. That was the demo of Tweetx. See you later.